Cumulant generating function. Sometimes it is also called as C.G.F. By using the generating functions, we will easily find mean and variance of the random variable. Let's start. Definition. Let x be the random variable. The cumulant generating function of a random variable x is denoted by kx of t. It is defined as the logarithm of characteristic function, which is denoted by pi x of t, or the logarithm of the moment generating function mx of t. So sometimes we'll write the definition of cumulant generating function of a random variable x is defined as logarithm of pi x of t, means characteristic function of a random variable. Okay. So how we are going to find cumulant generating function, means C.G.F. of a random variable? Let's see here. We know that characteristic function pi x of t can be defined as E of, means expected value of e power itx. This is the definition of characteristic function pi x of t. And it can be also be written as E of, what is the exponential power form is, we know that 1 plus itx by 1 factorial plus itx whole square by 2 factorial plus and so on. This is the power series form of e power itx. Why? Because we know that simply e power x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Like that we are going to write like that. Now we can multiply e to each term of this bracket. We have e of 1 plus e of itx by 1 factorial plus e of itx whole square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Coming to values, e of 1 means 1 plus, here the expected value can be applicable only for the variable. So remaining all constant taken it to outside. So in itx by 1 factorial, it is constant, e of ex by 1 factorial. Like that, it whole square by 2 factorial is constant. Expected value can be applicable only for the variable, that is x square, plus and so on. So written this is the equation number 2, and the given equation, suppose this is the equation number 1. What is this value? This is completely characteristic function, that is pi x of t value. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can easily written as kx of t. What is the equation number 1? That is kx of t means cumulant generating function of a random variable x is equal to, we know the definition of this, logarithm of pi x of t. Okay, substitute in this right hand side of the equation ln of what is pi x of t? From equation number 2, 1 plus it by 1 factorial into e of x plus it whole square by 2 factorial into e of x square plus and so on. Now that is equal to, we can compare this total value for the formula logarithm of 1 plus x, means here 1 is there, the remaining part of this expansion can be treated as x. So what is the logarithm of 1 plus x? Formula is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus and so on, like that. So by using this formula, we can write this value as x minus, means it by 1 factorial into e of x plus it whole square by 2 factorial into e of x square plus and so on. This is x minus x square by 2, means it by 1 factorial into e of x plus it whole square by 2 factorial into e of x square plus and so on, whole square by 2 plus and so on. Why? Because logarithm of 1 plus x formula, x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus and so on. Okay, so this is the C.G.F form, means cumulant generating function of the random variable x. Clear? Coming to mean and variance by using C.G.F. C.G.F means cumulant generating function. We know the definition for the cumulant generating function, that is kx of t, means cumulant generating function of the random variable x, is defined as, we know that is logarithm of characteristic function by x of t. So differentiating this kx of t with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t on both sides continuously, then we put the value t is equal to 0. We have e of x, means expected value of x, can be written as e power minus I power 1 into d by dt of kx of t, yet t is equal to 0. This is the mean formula by using cumulant generating function. And what is the variance formula by using C.G.F is variance. V of x is equal to, sometimes it is also written as sigma square, is equal to minus I whole square into d square by dt square of kx of t, yet t is equal to 0. This is the variance formula for or by using C.G.F. To understand much better the concept of C.G.F., that is a cumulant generating function, look at the example here. If x is b of n comma p, means x follows binomial distribution with the parameters n and p, then obtained C.G.F of x, means cumulant generating function of random variable x, and hence obtain its mean and variance. Solution. Since x follows b of n comma p, then we have the probability mass function formula, PMF, probability mass function formula. P of x is equal to NCX p power x q power n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on up to n. So we know that in this problem we are going to find first of all C.G.F of x, means what is the C.G.F? Means cumulant generating function of a random variable x is kx of t is equal to logarithm of pi x of t, means characteristic function logarithm. This is the formula for finding C.G.F of a random variable. To find characteristic function, to find cumulant generating function kx of t, we need to find first of all pi x of t. Here pi x of t is equal to, what is a characteristic function formula? That is e of e power itx. For that we have the direct formula, that is summation e power itx into p of x. This is the formula for characteristic function. From that, summation e power itx. Here p of x value already we have in this problem, ncx p power x into q power n minus x. ncx p power x into q power n minus x. So going to simplification here, summation means that is x is equal to 0 to infinity ncx. Here p e, here combined both each other, pe pe t pe. From these two we are going to write pe it whole power x. From these two we are going to write into q power n minus x. That is equal to, which is of the form summation, which is of the form summation ncr p power r q power n minus r. What is the formula? In binomial we have the direct formula, that is p plus q whole power n. So by using the notation we are going to write easily q plus p e power it whole power n, which is the characteristic function value. Now cumulant generating function kx of t is equal to logarithm of pi x of t. Substitute this value here, logarithm of q plus p e power it whole power n, which is the C.G.F of a given random variable x.